So in this problem we have to find value of x. So let us write. So we have 3 and this raised to the power x and then raised to the power 2, and we can write 9 as 3 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power x square, and this is also basically 3 raised to the power x square. And this is 27. I can write 3 raised to the power 3 and this raised to the power x square. Now if you remember, if I have a raised to the power m and then raised to the power n, so we can use exponent rule and we can simply write m into n. So if I use this principle, then I can rewrite 3 raised to the power x square plus 3 raised to the power 2 and this x square, and this will be 3 raised to the power 3 times x square. And I can further rewrite using the same rule 3 raised to the power x square and 3 raised to the power x square and then whole power 2, because now I can write a raised to the power mn as a raised to the power n and then raised to the power m. So this is the same rule that I am using. Then I can write 3 raised to the power x square and raised to the power 3. This 3 is basically I am taking as whole power. Now you can understand why I have done this, because now I have a term 3 raised to the power x square that is everywhere. So now I can plug t is equals to 3 raised to the power x square. So if I plug this value, my expression becomes t plus t square and this is equals to tq. So now I have to solve this simple expression. So this will be tq and then this will be minus t square minus t is equals to 0. So from here if I take t common, so t square minus t minus 1 is equals to 0. So one solution we will have, that is t is equals to 0. But remember, what is t? T is 3 raised to the power x square. This is not possible because you can have any value of x, and if you square it, it will be a positive quantity, and 3 raised to the power some positive number. This will never be 0. So this means t is equals to 0. This is not an acceptable solution. So this solution is not acceptable. So we have now option, that is t square minus t minus 1 is equals to 0. So this means t square minus t minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is basically a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In this case we know that root is, so if I have this kind of expression, root is given by minus b plus minus b square minus 2ac divided by 2a. So I will use this result, so that is t square minus t minus 1 is equals to 0. So roots will be, our value of t will be, so I can say t will be minus b, so minus minus plus, plus minus b square, that is minus 1 whole square, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, 4ac divided by 2a, so 2 times 1. So this will be plus 1 plus minus, this will be 5 by 2. So now you can have t is equals to 1 minus root 5 by 2. So this is one solution. And another solution is 1 plus root 5 by 2. Once again, this quantity is a negative quantity. So this is a negative quantity because minus root 5 is greater than 1. I mean minus root 5 plus 1, this will result in a negative value. So this is a negative quantity. So this means this solution is again not acceptable. So we cannot accept this solution because this solution is negative. So we have only left, that is this solution. So t is equals to this. And what is t? So if you remember, t is nothing but 3 raised to the power x square, and this is equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So now I can take log and I can find value of x. So what I have, 3 raised to the power x square, this is equals to 1 plus root 5, and this divided by 2. So if I take log both sides, so log of this quantity is equals to log of this quantity. Now if you use rules of log, then basically rule says a raised to the power m can be written as m log a. So this is the rule that we have, that we can use here. So if I use this rule, I can simply write x square log 3 is equals to log of, we can also write root 5 plus 1, same thing as 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So from here x square is equals to log of root 5 plus 1 divided by 2, and this divided by log 3. So this means, so this is the value of x square. So this is the value of x square. So x will be basically root of this, that is plus minus a square root log of root 5 plus 1 by 2, and this divided by log 3. So this is the final solution, and this is the value of x. So only one trick we have, that is somehow we have to set my cubic expression in terms of t, and that t is basically 3 raised to the power x square. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.